Bringing mental health back to Tuscaloosa has been the question for years, but is it still being considered? WVUA 23's Jabari Pruitt continues our special from the Montgomery Drive-In. And Jabari, does it look like mental health could come back here to Tuscaloosa?
It's hard to say, Lynn. Of course, a year ago it got a lot of talk, but the new mental health commissioner, Lynn Beshear, says she's taking a new route.
I want to be where most of my employees are, and then I'll be in Montgomery when I need to be, as opposed to Tuscaloosa when I need to be.
A year ago, former mental health commissioner Jim Purdue said he wanted to move mental health back to Tuscaloosa. That would include moving the central office from Montgomery to Tuscaloosa and build new facilities. The state mental health department owns the University Mall property. The University of Alabama bought Bryce Hospital and Partlow properties. UA owns the new Bryce Hospital, Taylor Hardin Secure Medical Facility, and Mary Stark Harper Center for Geriatric Psychiatry Center. But that's not the same direction current Mental Health Commissioner Lynn Beshear is heading.
Not at this time, no. I mean, right now, the plan is to just sort of maintain the relationship that we have. We have had a conversation with Tim Leopard at the university and have begun that conversation about what might be the ideal use for that.
Mental Health Commissioner Lynn Beshear says mental health is facing a lot of challenges, such as attracting medical professionals to Alabama. That's her main focus.
We have fewer students going into medicine. Of them, we have fewer still going into psychiatry. These people can go anywhere in the country to practice medicine that they want to go. Anywhere. They can name their price and go where they want to go. So what does Alabama need to do to be able to attract those professionals here?
Beshear says the department has begun to pull some strong partnerships with Medicaid, the Department of Corrections, the Department of Labor, and the Alabama Department of Education.
I'm very anxious to reach out across all the lines to my counterparts in the state to make sure that we are working in collaboration to maximize our dollars and our resources and to make sure that the people in Alabama are receiving the services that they need.
We do not have enough physicians in Alabama to be able to meet the need. We have had a growing army of nurse practitioners and others that have worked hard to fill in the blanks on some of those. I spoke last week here in Montgomery to a group of nurse anesthetists and was able to say to them, truthfully, if it were not for you, we would not have health care in Alabama.
Now, Commissioner Lynn Beshear says she's working hard to begin partnerships to begin to be able to give more services to Alabama citizens.
And a question about that property at University Mall. Any plans of trying to use that property for mental health use in the future? What do you think?
Well, not at the moment. Of course, she said the former mental health commissioner, Jim Purdue, did not leave a blueprint when he left office and she was appointed. So she really don't have a way of kind of figuring out how it would work. But right now, she just says she wants to focus on improving mental health in the state.
All right. Thanks a lot, Jabari Pruitt. We appreciate it.
You bet.